Alright, this shadow runner. It's 9:30 in the morning. It's Wednesday.
I can't see nothing.
Here's Darker Day.
I swear to God.
Here's Death Walker.
What is this?
Here's me. I'm wearing my glasses. I'm too lazy to put on my contacts.
Look at the stairs.
Look at this
If I fall,
snow.
I won't feel a thing, but I won't know where I am.
We got.
Can you see anything else?
I'm gonna show you how deep this snow is. Look, I'm going downhill.
No.
Hold on. I want to show you how deep this snow is. Look at this snow. Freaking deep. We got about, what, 18 inches out here? So this is ridiculous. We gotta shovel all this in a few minutes. This is ridiculous. There's a fog over there. You can't even see what's going on. Look at that. Yeah, so we just want to show you guys what we were going to do. We'll probably show you the after job. But this is plain ridiculous. We're going to be shoveling for at least 2 or 3 hours easily. Oh, God. It was a blizzard last night, and it was lightning. So, yeah, we just want to show you what we were going to do before we die. John's going to take his picture on his DSi to put it on Facebook.
I can't see that tree. It should be
okay.
over there.
So, we'll see you guys later. Peace. This is dark here, and all I can say is the weatherman was right this time. There's a crap full of snow. It doesn't make sense. I've never seen anything like this. This is an abomination. But hey, we're gonna make some fun out of it. And this place is about to be.
Oh, I can't see.
That was.
Oh, this is my face.
Oh my God! Look at it. He got his glasses.
Oh, that was a bad.
Yes.
Ooh. Ow! Don't put me in it.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's break time.
Alright. That was for all the John Morrisons and jumpers and parkour people. Yeah. So, have a nice day. This is Chicago, by the way. Wonder how I was doing in Detroit, Ohio. Stuff. But I can't see anything. There's snow in my eye. Yeah, we're gonna try to get through this, but yeah, if you look at it, you know, take a quick estimate, we're doomed. Yeah, later. Oh, we're trying to get to the hospital. It's gonna be real late. Still going at it.
Feeling good.
Hello. Look out there. Can you see them? I can barely see them. We can't do it. We gotta clear this side. We can't do it. We can do it, Ninja Man. We can do it. We have to do what we do. Everything we did is being refilled pretty quickly, so we're gonna end up coming back out here again. We're screwed. Don't throw snow. Hey. Why would you do that?
I don't know. I saw it in.
You're stupid. Jesus Christ. Snow is unforgivable. crazy. What the hell? Okay, just a quick update. I'm not getting anywhere. The deed is done.
For now.
Yeah, well,
for now.
Most of it.
Another bleeding plan ahead. It's gonna be just as bad. Look at the whole lot.
Look at that.
Spread out with the street.
Like I said, the deed is mostly done. What the hell?
Look at that.
Kinda makes sense. Look at that. Piled right
Let's
back
do
up.
this jump.
This is crazy. It's a little clearer out here. I could kind of see across the street now. With all that gust and wind. That kind of calmed down. But as you see, it's still snowing like crap.
I'm cold. I'm cold too. I still did it.
Okay. So I was talking about taking the leap of faith again. He wants Phil, aka Deathwalker, to jump with him. Phil may have it.
Oh God.
Oh, jeez. Well, this is what happens when a black male, young black male that knows better, hangs around too many white people. He gets infected. Come on, do it. I'll watch. You taking it back? That'd be smart. You already did it once. You have nothing to prove. Why are you hurting yourself? I have to ask you.
This is for you, Crisco.
Crisco Chris. You hear that, Crisco? He's dedicating the suicidal leap of faith to you.
My legs are frozen.
There's more.
Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Things that you said, time has come and gone for words. 1,000 threats I've heard before. Words are cheap and lies are made to pay. Time has come and gone for words. 1,000 threats I've heard before. And all your words are to the pit today.
3, 2, call me a liar.
Shame on you.
He did us one time, Mom. Kudos to you, Jeff Hardy. Yes, that was godlike.